Welcome. If you just installed the MATLAB and have no idea where to start, this video is exactly for you. In the next few minutes, I will show you the full interface, what every panel does, and by the end, you will run your first MATLAB command. Let's go. This is the MATLAB when you first time open it. This is the interface you see here. It's actually very simple one. I explained each part. There are the four main areas you need to know. This mark area is called the command window, where you type and run the command directly. Think of it like the calculator. You type something, press enter, or it's give you the answer instantly. If I say that a is equal to 2 and then press enter, then it's write down, okay, a is equal to 2. So it's the command window. This right panel is called the workspace. So this show all the variable you create. When you make the variable, it appear here, so you can always see what is in the memory. Okay, so like this one, I created the a variable. It stored the 2, size is 1 cross 1, and the class is double. Okay, now this is the current folder. This is called the left panel, and this show the file in your current folder where you can save your script. They appear here. Always make sure you are working in the right folder. Okay, now the fourth portion is called editor, and we need to be open it from this plus icon. We click on this one and then click on this script. This is appear separately on the above. Now you see this is opened here, and we use it for writing the script and save it, because in the command window we can't be save it. When we close this MATLAB, then the everything which is on the command window, it's removed, but in the script they are saved, and we can utilize in the later also. So now in the part 3 I explain you the complete this editor functionality, and now right now we just be focused on the command window. Now let's start with your first command. So click anywhere on your command window and following along, you try to be write down. We say that 2 plus 2 and then press enter. So our answer is 4. Then we say 10 multiply with 5. So answer is 50. Then we say that we take the square root of 60. Now you see the spelling is not written well. SQRT, square root of 16. So now answer is 4. If I say that simply, I write down the pi and then enter. This is the value of the pi. Okay, so if I say that I need to be display any kind of string here, hello viewer, then okay, now hello viewer is visible there. And these commands are very important, like CLC. So it's clear the command window. If I say that clear, then our workspace all variable stored variable is cleared. Okay, and again I write down CLC. So if you write down, then all opened windows are closed, which is extras done by default windows. Okay, again I say that CLC. So MATLAB respond instantly on a command windows, so don't need any kind of save and anything. One quick tip: if your layouts look different from mine, or maybe you want to be change the layouts, then you need to be going to the home. So into the home, this is the home. Maybe in your case the plot is selected, but click on this home and then go into the layout, and there are the option of the layout. So 2 column default, it is the default layout. You click on it, and then 3 column, so you can click on it. Then in that way it's divided the layouts into the 3 columns. Again we click on it and we say that command window only, and then it's just show us a command window. And again you click on it and again click on default, then now this default is come. So in the default there's the 2 column. First is for command window, other files are here, and workspace is below there. And now you can save your own current layout. If you make your own current layout, anything like that, how you want to utilize your layout, so simply just create it, and when you create it, then you can utilize it. Okay, sorry, you save it here. Okay, and next time it's you can also load it. And then there is the option for the open the more panels. So now there are the different panels which you can also choose from here, and it's appear here. Okay, like debugger. Now you see the debugger is also there. Okay, maybe I say that command window in middle, and I say that files are in above there, and workspace like this. Okay, this is my layout and I want to be save it, so I click on this save current layout. I say that my one, okay, and click on it. Now my one layout is created, and maybe I click on default layouts, and after that I click on my one, so my one layout is visible in front of me. So I hope so you understand it. So this is the part one. You now full MATLAB interface and run your first commands in on a command window. In the part two, we go deeper variables, data types, and how to store the values. Link in the description. If this helped you, please like and subscribe. It really helped this channel. So see you the next one.